Hey, we're here just making some final preparations at the Pfister household. We got pizza in the oven. Come on, let's go take a look at it. Boy, she's getting crispy, tell you what.
Any opinions on the van?
It's looking great. It's looking good.
Thank you.
Still a lot of work to do.
So because we haven't finished everything, we brought a bunch of wood with us and all of our shit that we have not packed. So we've got some work to do, and it's going to be a pretty annoying drive. Western United States. What do you think?
He's pretty good.
I think it's back a little further, dude.
I don't know if we're gonna fit anyone else.
LaCroix from the Springs of Oregon. This thing is too big.